Fresh from prison. Fresh from prison.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we there with a hot one in the evening, my people. A mad one. You don't know God is the greatest, so we have to give God thanks for life, my people. You don't see what going on the screen, my people. Jamal, one Dunce man, is finally free, my people. Before me jump into the video, I beg you like, share, subscribe to my channel. Big up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. Alright, my people, on the Dunce Wagwan, Jamal, one Dunce man, is finally free. And this is after he was some incorrect information that go on. They must say, oh, Jamal was taken out of Club Mecca and so on. That is not what happened, my people. Jamal's name was listed among some persons of interest in St. James, and they were supposed to turn in themselves by Friday, and that's what he did. You understand? So I'm turning himself, my people, Friday, and them keep him locked up until today. He is a free man. So you don't know Jamal Dunce, man. Big up yourself. Wish you all the best, my G. Hope say, you understand? Your name no get called up in a them type of thing that where them a try push on you. You understand? My people, you don't know big bad news there. And update as well. Vybz Cartel cap the Mobo award, my people. Everybody don't know say Vybz Cartel cap the Mobo award. But we have snippets from the scene, my people. The man actually dropping a performance and shell down the place. Make a jump in it and come back, my people, really quick.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in Jamaican. We can do it on the tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it. Sing the part down. So hot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not. Wet and sweet, yo. What you say? Fever. Wind up your body. Hey, wine for me, baby. Everything great. My good love make you.
Class City Cover Class. Pull up! Mobo was love for no. What you said that the nose?
Bop. But people, sorry about that, me have a little draft, but to the Dunce Wagwan, a mad thing, my people. What do think about the performance here? And you don't know, it wasn't a long performance, my people, but tell me what Uno think about this. And as well as my people, let's not forget, Vybz Kartel is the first Jamaican artist to win this Mobo award, my people. So him came out of prison and him set record trend. You understand, my people? When you tell me what you think about this, you don't know, we're passionate over the music already. You understand? And we're just glad to deliver all of the good news them to the people them. Alright, my people. And not only that, because as you can see, Spice did announce him to be the winner, my people, and him come up with him son, Little Vybz, and be a sitting. And guess what? I have that snippet the phone as well, my people. My people, I just a quick update my have phone. Alright, so me I go jump off. What the artist say, what the below my nose. I'm out.
Class in the top class. Pull up! Mobo was laughing up. What is that that he knows? Wow.
Winner of the Mobo Impact Award is no other than the King of Dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Hold on. Hold on. Mobo, how you feeling? That's it. You know, first I got to say, God is the greatest. Because think about this. Got locked up, did 13 years in prison. Meanwhile, I'm doing 13 years in prison. I'm diagnosed with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Liquor Vybz. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got engaged to my fiance who's from England. Kiss me, baby! Hold on! I'm big up the Mobo Awards to give me the award. I big up my son. Big up the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here. And big up all of the British stars.